What's up, guys? This is Donovan with Central Productions, back with you guys with another little video. So currently I'm actually heading over to one of my good buddy's shops over in Palm Coast area over there, Palm Coast, Florida. And he owns a shop called No Mercy Motorsports, and he's been in my videos multiple times before for getting my, what he does is a little bit of everything. But his biggest thing that he does is window tint. And he uses, the ceramic window tint, the high dollar stuff that doesn't fade in the sun and blocks out the heat much better than, the normal regular tint that you get from, you have the flea market guys do pretty much. And he's pretty reasonable price, it's windshield. I'm getting the windshield, all the side windows, and the back windows. So I'm doing 5% all the way around and doing the 30% on the windshield, which is the same I had on the Chevy Silverado I had, and same side percent as I had on the f350, but the f350 I never had the windshield tinted, mainly because I had a crack in the windshield, and he recommended to get the windshield replaced, then he'll tint my windshield. But I ended up selling the truck, of course, before all that happened. So heading over there right now. I got girlfriend behind me. She's followed me there so we can drop the truck off tonight at his shop, and then that way he has all day tomorrow to do it, because he has to remove all this old tint. How that one back there is already peeling up. I don't know if you guys can see that. So he has removed that. I have no idea how long all this tint's been on this truck before, so I'm sure it's a pain in the ass, full-on process. I have no idea how it works. I don't have the patience to take window tint off. I was thinking about doing it myself, but he said he'll do it for me, and I was like, okay, awesome. He's looking me up at that. So yeah, be sure you guys hit up No Mercy Motorsports. He's on Instagram, and I'll put his contact information on the video if he's okay with that. So that way you guys get hooked up by him with your window tint. I definitely recommend stop by his shop and getting it done. There's no one else I trust to have my vehicle, overnight, and other than him. So I trust him. So I definitely recommend him. So let's head on that way. Just dropped the truck off over at No Mercy, as you can see from right there, and he'll go at it tomorrow. So we'll see how it looks like. So just picked up the truck, and you probably really can't see me too well because it's pretty damn dark outside, and including I have 5% and the 40% on the windshield. It's pretty dark inside the truck too. But just picked it up, turned out awesome. And these old trucks are pain in the ass to tint. One is most of the time it has this old tint that's already on the truck. Two is sometimes you run into there'll be rust on some of the panels, so it's kind of hard to keep the tint 100% clean when you're trimming it, and you're not really trimming it, I guess he calls it kind of making the template, I guess. I really don't know too much about it, but he didn't run into any of that. And three is some of this rubber that's on around the windows. As soon as you touch it, a bunch of that rubber or debris that's either on the rubber or behind the rubber, a lot of debris and trash just falls out from behind it. So it just makes it kind of more of a process to really tint a window on an older truck. It's not impossible, and yes, you can do it right. It's just a longer process than taking a brand new vehicle and tinting it. So, but he did a great job, got it done, in pretty quick timing. I told him not to rush about it because he had other customers, of course, to take care of, not just me. And so yeah, he took care of it. It turned out great. I'm probably going to show you guys what it looks like now on the outside. Makes the truck look a lot better, I think, personally. So here's the daytime look of it, of getting the windows tinted. So I got the side windows 5%, back window is 5%, and got the windshield at 40%. That way it's not super dark, but it's it's dark enough. I honestly think it made a pretty good difference on the look. I don't have that fishbowl look going on anymore with the truck. which I absolutely hate. I mean, you can see a little bit of the dash, mainly because the dash has the gray carpet cover on there. It doesn't, some reason, it doesn't seem as dark as it was on my Silverado. I think it's because all the interior is gray. So you got the gray roof, you got the gray on the dash, gray on the seat. So kind of you kind of see in the truck a little bit more than the Silverado, since the Silverado is all black inside. I think it turned out pretty good though. A bunch of bugs on there, so don't mind that. But did a great job, being that the older trucks are a lot harder to tint. Back window, it has he was telling me, and I noticed it after he'd said something. For some reason the back window has like a chrome tint to it, and it's on the outside, and he's not sure exactly if there's a tint film on the outside, but he couldn't find anything on the edges that would show there's a some kind of film of tint. So it's not that big of a deal though. But it turned out awesome. I think it really helped with the look of the truck I'm going with. And going with the has the clear cab lights, and once I get rid of all the orange, it'll all blend together, have a little bit of mixture of black, a little bit of mixture of the clear / white, and a little bit of chromish look to it, I guess, since the bumper's chrome, around the headlights is chrome. Not sure I'm gonna keep all that, and then like the chrome around the window seems to really stand out a lot. I kind of wish that was black, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna change that out or not. Is that really, if it's really hard to change out. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's not super exciting, but this is like just like the last video. It's a update. That's all it is. It's a truck update. Not all of these are gonna be very exciting, but the next video, I promise, is going to be super exciting. The truck is going to look completely different. And if you guys look at the back, that's the hint. The hint's in the bed of the truck right there. You see a little bit of floor jack. You see, I'm not going to tell you what that is, but if you guys look to the video, rewind back, you might be able to see a little bit of sneak peek of what the next modification for this truck is, and it's in the bed of the truck. You guys definitely want to watch the next video of this for the next modification. Hopefully it's the next video, because it might be, never know, might be having something else to the truck that I might do before we do that, because we got to do some modification to those to be able to work for this truck. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit a like and comment below anything you guys think I should do to the truck, or if you guys know any kind of modifications that I can do to the truck to help improve the looks and improve the motor to last longer and help with performance. Or if you guys know anything else that you guys want me to do. I'm thinking of doing clear headlights, blacking out those, or just get a whole new bumper. I'm thinking about doing like a 08 or a 17 conversion front bumper and a roll pan bumper in the back, and getting those lights right there on the side of the bed either smoked or get them clear and have them white. It's not DOT approved, but I like the look. I want, like I say, like with the cab lights, I'm going with the clear, more white and chrome look to it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.